think गले में कुछ हो गया है. Okay, no issues. Let's start. So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali, and I'm from Lucknow. Not Lucknow. It's Barabanki. Yes, correct. So basically, here I'm. I'm recording this video to improve my communication skills, and as you can see, like somewhat it got improved as well. So I'll see after this video, after recording this video for 5 minutes, I'll check my um, this video and see like where I'm getting stuck, where my vocabulary is not right, where I'm getting like wherever I am not correct, I'll correct that. So yes, so today I'll share the topic how to improve your communication. So see, I didn't get any topic, so I just picked it up. Okay, let's just start. So, hello everyone, this video is for improving your communication. So, what you have to do for improving your communication, the first thing is record yourself for 5 minutes. Okay, just record yourself for 5 minutes and see and audit yourself how you are improving day by day. Okay, just plan or just make a sheet of daily, day by day, and you can see and record yourself for daily 5 minutes. Okay, and after 1 hour, just audit yourself how you are speaking, what area you want to improve, where you are getting stuck. After when you see, you are thinking like how I can check whether it's right or wrong. But when you see yourself in the video, you will get where you are getting wrong. Okay, so just do this thing, just record yourself for 5 minutes, just do your auditing, just write down all the pain points that you have. like uh I can judge myself by recording this video only because my pain point is vocabulary. My vocabulary is very bad. My tenses are very bad. I don't know what to use when. And if someone gives me some story, like if I have to speak on some topic, then I should have um I know a little bit of that topic. Also, I should know like how to deliver those things very promptly, that I'm not very good with. Like I will not able to speak very fluently with all the correct wordings, mean like putting all the words at right places. So that is also my pain point. Also, my accent, as you can say, is not very natural. It is like somewhat very fake, I would say. So that also I want to improve and see like where my communication can eventually get natural. So I I'm doing this, like I'm practicing it. I'm also creating YouTube videos for this purpose only, to improve my communication. One of the this purpose. So yes, I will see after 1 month like how I'm improving. I'm just recording myself in my laptop, and I will not delete these videos, and I'll see whether I'm getting improved or not. So yes, this is my main aim, I would say. And speaking for 5 minutes is tough, because when I'm seeing at the timer, it's only 3:48 seconds. So yes, and also I would like to say one thing, that practice makes everyone perfect. Okay, so if you are practicing on a daily basis, so you are going to see the improvement on yourself. So just try, just don't see any videos which are coming, because I was also doing the same. Like I was consuming so many YouTube videos for how to improve my communication, how to learn new things, how to improve my life and all. Like I was watching so many videos on a daily basis. So it's not really, it was not helping me at all, because I'm not applying that thing. Like watching is good, but learning from that is also, which will make a um, which will make a effect or whatever. Okay, you can see like I'm getting stuck with the words and all. So yes, just practice on a daily basis. Just practice, record yourself for 5 minutes, just see where you can improve, and also improve and like work on that pain area, and see where you can improve. And yes, I also have 5 minutes is completed, so it's not like foundation that we have to speak for 5 minutes, but yeah, 5 minutes is enough. So I'll see like on 30th day how my communication is better than this one. I hope so. It should be better because if I'll work on it, okay? If I will, so one thing more, if I have like I'm just creating videos on a daily basis, and I'm not working on my areas, then it will be similar to this only. That there will be no drastic change on my communication, right? So like if I don't learn any new words daily, right, then it will be tough only. So mm, for learning new words, I started reading so many books. It's not just that I don't like reading books and all, but I will learn new words daily and try to record daily and see like how it is getting improved. So yes, this is it, and we'll see like how it getting improved. Okay, so yes, start with me reading a book. I think it's good for the vocabulary. That's why I started. So yes, so pick, if you also have the same issue, then you can also start with some book which should have the new words which is used on a daily basis. It should not be like very fancy words, that because that's in beginner level, we don't need that, right? We just need like where to put all the words correctly. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video till here. Bye bye.